Hi, my name's Sean with Latitude 39 Restoration. As always, the purpose of this video is to show you as much as we can about the vessel so you don't waste your valuable time looking at a disappointing boat. This here for sale is a 1990 Rampage Express 24. It has twin Johnson 200 outboards, which are also 1990s. The motors run excellent, smooth, cool. The boat is in very good shape for its age. It's obviously been well kept. The gel coat still has a real good shine to it. All the teak is in great condition. The boat's currently set up for fishing. It's got a nice hard top with gold rocket launchers, outriggers, comes with a Garmin GPS and VHF and decent depth finder with water temp as well. The boat has a full canvas and isinglass enclosure to keep you out of the foul weather. It has a very large live well built into the floor here. It's got built-in fish boxes to port and starboard. It's got a cooler built into the port side helm seat. A nice sink up on the dash there. We also have a nice stereo up there with an auxiliary plug-in for your iPod. And let's take a look in the cabin. This boat is 100% turnkey. It's ready to go out and have fun on. As a matter of fact, let's take a spin.